Hi, I'm Cornel Koster, Chief Customer Officer here at Virgin Atlantic, and I'd like to show you some of the measures we're taking to ensure our aircraft cabins are clean, hygienic, and safe for you to fly in.
Our aircraft are cleaned after every flight with a hospital-grade EPA and EU-registered disinfectant product. This has been proven to be highly effective against bacteria, fungus, and viruses. On top of our meticulous cleaning across our cabins, we also carry out an additional enhancement to that cleaning, which is aircraft fogging. That ensures that the chemical settles on all surfaces and nooks and crannies, ensuring that every area is sanitised and disinfected.
Air inside the aircraft is fully refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes. It goes through a filter, and that filter filters out 99.999% of bad things. Any sort of things that you wouldn't want in your breathing air, that's what the HEPA filter is there for.
Our main priority remains the safety and well-being of our customers and our people. Thank you for putting your trust in us. We look forward to seeing you back on board soon.